Staking takes a bit more time because you have to move stuff to P-Chain, but once it's there, a restake procedure is very simple. You go to FLR portal, you go to your wallet that you're most comfortable with using, you select the entity, you select their validator, and you stake to their validator to a specific amount of time. Why is that important? Firstly, stake is locked. And that's crucial for the network longevity, but also crucial for how we calculate what do we deem important inside the ecosystem. By locking your FLR, by locking and staking it to a certain entity, you pretty much say, look, I'm trusting this entity to provide not just the block building thing, as is the usual thing on normal blockchains, but you're trusting it to provide good prices, good FDC data, and in the future also good and frequent FLR confidential compute updates. And this is crucial for the ecosystem because you have to select a good entity and you have to do this for a longer period of time. You can't just move, which is very important for security reasons.